Welcome to our optical webshop tutorial. This first tutorial is for ordering RX lenses. This tutorial is made to help you to introduce RX lenses in our web platform Opticalo. It's simple to use and intuitive. You will be able to introduce your orders and track your orders. You will also have access to thicknesses calculation. So this is your welcome page. You just click on your login and password, nothing special. So the first step is to click on New RX Lenses Orders. Then you introduce your wearer reference, the powers, and you tick prism and decentration if needed. So here, for example, I'm going to introduce wearer reference, test Jean, for example. Then you introduce your powers. So here a trick, if your powers right and left are identical, you can just press the red arrows or enter. So here, for example, I introduce +1 addition 1. Here you can fill prism and decentration if needed. So you can help the filling of the prism with the schema table. So the second step is lenses. Indicate your choice of lenses with type of lens, material, and index. And you can use the filters to display more quickly the lenses in the list. For example, I'm gonna choose progressive lens, index 1.6 with photochromic. For example, full screen in index 1.6. Here the list is displayed with all the photochromic lenses. As we have a lot of lenses to display, for a faster access you can type a keyword. For example, you want photochromic lens Solis, you can type Solis in the lens tab and you will have only the Solis lenses. So then you choose your lenses. Then you will have to choose your available option, coatings. For example, I want anti-reflection coating Clarus 2. You click on the plus button, it will go to the right on selected options. If you made a mistake, you can modify by pressing minus. So then after you will have to possibility to re-enter the coating desired. For example, I want basis hard coating, so now is selected. Then you press next. Here is the customization step. So indicate your order type by diameter or precal optimization. If you choose by diameter, you will have access to a list of diameters. If you don't see the diameter that you need, please refer to our catalog to see if it's possible to order it. For any questions, you can contact our customer service. Now I'm going to show how to fill a precal order. So when you click on precal, you will have this window popping up. After clicking on it, you can choose the shape with OMA file or your remote edger or tracer. You will have also access to standard shapes, 13 standard shapes. For example, I'm going to select this shape. Then you fill your size of your lenses. if you need to resize it. For example, I will put 50 and the height of the shape of 45, let's say. And DBL, distance between lenses. I want, for example, 18. Then it's gonna appear here. Then you will have to choose the frame type. You have access to metal rim mount, Nilor, plastic rim mount, or breakthrough. Here are specific instructions for the breakthrough process. You can add the drilling points by double-clicking inside the shape. Then after, don't forget to introduce the thickness for your drilling points. For example, 1.8 at drilling point. You press validate. Then of course, for the precal, you will need to fill the rest of the measurements and the centering measures. So here I will introduce 30 millimeters for the pupillary distance, both eyes. I will introduce a height of 20. You have a possibility to choose remote aging option, and you will have the useful diameter displayed when you select remote aging option. Let's say I'm selecting precal lenses without remote aging option. So you complete your order, then you will have access to your order summary through the right button. So please review it, check if everything is fine for you. You can edit the order again to modify it if you want, or if the order is fine, you just add it to basket. So after adding the order to the basket, you have possibility to view your cart and again to review it if you need it. You can check the reference of the wearer, the powers. You can delete it if you don't want it anymore. And finally, you can place your order by pressing the place your order button. So your order is being processed and you will have a message: your order has successfully been sent. When you will go to the home button, you will have access to the My Orders summary, and in this page you can see clearly that your order have been successfully transmitted, and with the confirmation number, order number, which is displayed in this area, as you can see, with the date of the transmission and the hour, and with a small summary of the order. Thanks for your attention.